In this short tutorial, I will show you how to reset network settings on your Samsung device. Resetting the network settings can help fix issues with Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and mobile data connections. To get started, swipe down from the top, just like this, and then tap on the gear icon at the top right corner of the screen. Once you are on the settings page, scroll down to the bottom. Tap General Management. After that, scroll down to the bottom and tap Reset. And then scroll down again and tap Reset Network Settings. This will reset all network settings, including those for Wi-Fi, mobile data, and Bluetooth. Just tap on the Reset Settings button. What you want to do next is enter the current password or PIN. All you have to do next is tap on the Reset button, and it will reset all network settings on your Samsung device. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.